back in my kitchen again. Today I'm going to make some spinach egg bacon salad. So I'm gonna show you how. But before I make my salad, I like to soften my vegetable that I put on top of it. So I have a white onion, bell pepper, and I have some mushroom that I cut up. So I'm just gonna put it in the pan and make sure your stove is in medium, and I'm just gonna put there for a minute just to get the flavor, the juice out of the veggie. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil, okay, and then I'm just gonna put my onion first, okay. And then now I'm going to throw my bell pepper, like that. We won't saute these, we're just trying to get it soft a little, the vegetable. Alright, there we go. And the mushroom, you can use any kind of mushroom. You can use white mushroom, you can use portobello mushroom. And then I'm gonna throw my mushroom in it. Okay, it's all up. And then I'm gonna just sprinkle with pinch of salt. There we go. And that's all you need to do. Okay, so we got the salt a little bit. You don't want to put anything else because you're gonna have your salad dressing later. That's done. And I'm going to try, see, one of my portobello mushroom that I caught. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. If you have portobello mushroom, use them because they have so much flavor. Okay. So that's all I need. So I'm gonna let this cool and then we'll put our salad later. Alright, so while our vegetable is cooling off, we're going to make our dressing. So we got some apple cider vinegar, we got some virgin olive oil, honey, Dijon mustard, black pepper, and salt. Okay, so I have about 1/3 cup of olive oil. All right. And I have 2 tablespoons of the vinegar, and I also have honey. I'm just gonna put 1 tablespoon first. All right, mix it up in there. I don't want to put them all, I don't want it too sweet. And I have, okay, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in there. Here we go. We're gonna stir that up. Okay, so I'm gonna put some cracked pepper. I love cracked pepper. They give so much flavor in it. With my hand. I like that tangy taste. So I'm gonna put another 1 tablespoon of honey, so total of 2. All right. See here. And just whisking it until it's all nice and smooth. Here we go. Don't mind me if I use my finger to taste it. I always clean my hands. Okay. Here we go. Pins of salt. Okay. there you go. Easy, simple. Now we're gonna assemble my salad. Alright guys, so we're going to put our salad together real quick here. I got my spinach wash. Okay, so I'm gonna put spinach on my plate here, just like that, and the vegetable, just like that. And I got my hard-boiled egg. Here we go. And then I have some bacon, of course. They can make everything taste good. Go. All right. And I have some feta cheese. If you don't like cheese, you don't have to put some in there. Okay. And here we go. Okay, so one thing I didn't mention, I like to put sunflower seed on my salad. So that's what it looks like right there. Okay, so I'm gonna sprinkle that on top if I can get it open. Of course. Here we go. And just get it all around. Just like that. And I don't have to eat the whole thing. I'm gonna save these for the next one. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay guys, so this is my spinach with bell pepper, onion, portobello mushroom, sunflower seed, feta cheese, and hard-boiled egg. And I always like to put some avocado. I love avocado. I cannot have my salad without avocado. So I put avocado on top, just like that. And then I'm going to drizzle my homemade salad dressing. There we go. Just like that, a little bit more around. There. Doesn't that look delicious? You can also skip the egg and just add some chicken as well. Or you can just skip it and just put some bacon. And that will fill you up. Either way. So there you have it, guys. That's my dinner for tonight. You can make this at home, and I hope you try them. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.